Hey, this is recipe number 3 in the eradication of biofilms to lose weight protocol. It's called the clean green, okay? I've got a head or a bunch of kale, a bunch of cilantro, a bunch of dill, a cucumber, a head of celery, and a lemon. Watch this. DTM on fire. Cucumber juice. Epic. Hope you're digging the video marathon, baby. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to these videos, hit the notification button, leave me a comment, and also go over to my Instagram, The Life Regenerator, and subscribe over there too so you can stay in the loop. Right now I'm just focusing on YouTube and Instagram. You know, Facebook kind of fell off the map. Dill, epic. It makes this juice taste so wonderful. You know, the essential oils in these plant foods are medicinal, and they keep you actually smelling really good. And they also keep different viruses and bacteria from getting out of hand. So the fresh herbs and the vegetables and the fruits are your medicine. Cilantro, heavy metal detoxifier. In this world, you cannot drink enough cilantro juice. I mean, I just cannot believe how prolific the heavy metals are in our society. They're in the air, they're in the water, they're in the pharmaceutical drugs. It's crazy, folks. Kale, still number 1. Super high antioxidants, super high chlorophyll, high in protein, high in minerals, life force, high in microbes because of all the different sacculations on the back of the plant. So the kale holds a lot of microbes fresh from the garden, fresh off the earth. So it's just medicine. Did you know that when you drink the juice, you drink a ton of microbes? Also, microbes are the answer to health. You watch. We'll find out soon enough. It was always the environment. If we enhance the environment by keeping it clean and we keep bringing in life-giving microorganisms from the local natural environment, we'll keep our health at top levels. It's really all about strengthening the organism instead of attacking disease. It's hilarious, dude. It's so stupid. Nobody promotes health because there's no money in it. You know what I mean? Sick people are very profitable. This is the celery. It's actually magnificent. I mean, I love the juice celery and eat it. You take your juicer if you take your juicer and you put the flat blade in it and then you use macadamia nuts, you can actually make macadamia nut butter with the Green Star. And it comes right out the end here, and then you can put that on the celery. And that is your own homemade fresh nut butters. There's nothing better than that. So we're dissolving biofilms, we're eradicating the mucus, which is where all the pathogens are thriving. Surviving and thriving. And so you want to clean out the sludge and remove all the mucus and all the obstructions, and then your vitality will shoot through the roof. There'll be no place for the pathogens to even get out of balance. So you want to stay clean and green inside. This is the clean green. This will keep you clean. This is also really good for those of you who might be afraid of sugar. Just because when you cook too much fat, when you eat cooked fat, it inhibits the absorption and utilization of natural plant sugars in fruits and vegetables. That's why they're saying, oh no, carbs are bad for you. Well, the processed carbs are terrible. And then what happens is all the fried oils and the high heated oils keep your cells from absorbing and utilizing natural plant sugar. So cooking fat is like one of the worst things you can do, and you can see that all the people are inflamed. You know, the raw carnivores are less inflamed, but the cooked carnivores, there's quite a bit of inflammation. And there's quite a bit of inflammation with the people that are, you know, eating and drinking the canola oils that have been fried also. So you really want to avoid cooking oils or fats. It just, nature just doesn't reward you for that at all. So now we've got all 3 of our juices made for the biofilm weight loss protocol. And that is going to come next. Wow. Perfection, DTM. As usual. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and all that good stuff. And I will see you on the next video. Mahalos.